Thank you very much. You're a great audience tonight. I'm sure you like the next song. Come on, let's go.
Well, I know you like me. Well, I know you do. That's why whenever I come around, he's all over you. And I know you want it. It's easy to see. And in the back of your mind, well, I know you should be fucking with me. Yeah, that's right, baby, follow me. Now don't you wish your boyfriend wasn't hot like me? Don't you wish your boyfriend was a freak like me? Don't you? Don't you?